Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pi, Personal AI Assistant, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pi, Personal AI Assistant, is an advanced conversational AI app created by Inflection AI. It's designed to act as your intelligent and empathetic personal companion, offering emotional support, thoughtful discussions, and helpful insights on everyday matters. Unlike most AI chatbots focused on productivity or coding, Pi is centered around meaningful, human-like conversations that help you think clearly and feel understood. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports voice as well as text-based interaction. The app's main feature is its natural and emotionally intelligent conversation style. Pi listens carefully, responds with empathy, and helps users manage stress, organize thoughts, or make decisions in a calm, non-judgmental manner. It can also assist with journaling, motivation, and self-improvement discussions. Its simple interface and soothing voice options make it easy to use and comforting to talk to, even during stressful times. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Pi for its realistic and supportive tone. It doesn't just give answers, it engages like a friend who truly listens. It's been praised for reducing anxiety, helping users process emotions, and improving mindfulness. Voice conversations, in particular, feel more natural and personal than with most AI chatbots. However, there are some drawbacks. The app is limited in technical or factual responses since its main focus is emotional intelligence rather than deep research or task automation. It also requires an internet connection, and some users may find its responses too gentle or repetitive at times. Additionally, while free to use, premium versions or future expansions might introduce subscription options. In summary, the Pi, Personal AI Assistant, app may be worth using if you want a calm, friendly, and emotionally aware AI companion for everyday reflection and conversation. However, if you're looking for a productivity or coding assistant, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.